Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So we are making a table with glass in the middle, a little bit of a posh pants kind of table. So let's go ahead and we're going to delete the default cube. If you haven't already, go ahead and just change out Eevee to cycles. We're going to add let's go with a plane to begin with. And we're just going to move this out just as such. And we'll go to edit mode. Let's do the let's do Control R in the middle, and just go ahead and just kind of divide this as such, and then we'll go ahead and divide this side as well. Alright, so once we've got this, let's go ahead and get rid of these in the middle. So Control and Shift. And then we'll press delete faces. And what we need to do now is let's go ahead and bump this up. So we're going to press E for extrude. And then I'm going to go ahead and press Control R and Control R in the middle right here. You want to go ahead and take these faces on every corner. E for extrude for this coffee table. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add we can add a plane. Scale it out. Make sure that it fits the center of the table. And when we go into edit mode right here, we can go E for extrude, bring it up a little bit so that it equals out to the edge of the table, just as so. Let's go to objects mode right here. Make sure that this bottom isn't interacting like that. So we can go to edit mode again, take the glass and just press G and just push it up. That's all you need to do, just push it up. Make sure that it doesn't interact with the top here as well, because otherwise that will ruin the effect. So we're going to go with this one to begin with, which is a pane of glass in the middle. We'll go new. Change your principal BSDF to emission. Glass BSDF. Don't know where I was getting emission from. You should have something like this. And what we can do from this point is we can take the table and we can start to make this kind of like a brown. You can make this a brown, you can make this any colour really that you wanted to. To be honest with you, I think a brown looks better. A black actually might look quite good if you just had like a sheer kind of uniform black one. If we add a plane again, let's press S to scale. And I'm going to take the table and the glass and just move these up so that they're level. And this is just a nice little make that you can do for the middle of a room. If say you've got a lot of space or something around the outside. I personally, let's go into the shading tab real quick. I personally would have some sort of pattern. So we could go with Veroni texture, colour, and you could place it into roughness. And you could also have this kind of, I don't know what you call it actually. Kind of like this nice little chipwood almost texture going through there as well. So yeah, that's a small tutorial for today, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.